PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Paoli, Pennsylvania, offers top-of-the-line residential furnace replacement services, ensuring homes receive consistent and efficient heating. Our technicians handle the entire replacement process with precision, from removing the old system to installing a high-performance furnace. We focus on proper sizing, safe installation, and dependable operation to deliver lasting warmth and peace of mind. We understand the importance of a properly functioning heating system, especially during the cold Pennsylvania winters. Trust us to install a new furnace that will keep your home cozy and your energy bills low. Contact us today for a free estimate. Are you looking for a furnace residential replacement expert near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. Can I replace my furnace before it completely fails? Yes. Proactive replacement helps avoid emergency breakdowns, improves efficiency, and allows you to plan the upgrade at a convenient time. Do you offer emergency furnace replacement? Yes. If your furnace fails unexpectedly, our technicians provide prompt replacement services to restore comfort as soon as possible. What is your service area for the Paoli, Pennsylvania office? Our residential furnace replacement services have assisted clients in the surrounding areas of Paoli, Berwyn, Devon, Tredyffrin, Vanguard, Williams Corner, Phoenixville, Montclair, Chesterbrook, Shan Tract, Valley Forge Woods, Malvern, Wayne, Willistown, and Upper Mainland, Pennsylvania. Where is your Paoli, Pennsylvania residential furnace replacement office located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road No. 307, Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli.